He left the tape running and recorded his own snoring. The game of volleyball predates the actual volleyball itself. It started with players using a basketball bladder. Another crazy sports fact, the first puck in ice hockey was something you probably didn't want to hit too hard. Why? Well, because it was a frozen chunk of cow poo. Now, you definitely want a frozen cow patty rather than a regular one, but bona fide hockey pucks are also placed in the deep freeze. This way they glide well and don't bounce as much. You can walk between America and Russia thanks to our old buddy Ice.